Making promises. I promise that I will finish the job on time. I promise that I will finish the job on time. I promise you that's the truth. I promise you that's the truth. Or we can say, I promise you that is the truth. I promise you that is the truth. I swear I will never leave you. I swear I will never leave you. I swear I won't let you down. I swear I won't let you down. Or we can say, I swear I will not let you down. I swear I will not let you down. I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. I assure you that I will return the book tomorrow morning. I assure you that I will be there on time. I assure you that I will be there on time. Believe me, I won't make you disappoint. Believe me, I won't make you disappoint. Or we can say, believe me, I will not make you disappoint. I will not break my promise. I will not break my promise. Or we can say, I won't break my promise. I won't break my promise. Trust me, I can do it. Trust me, I can do it. Thank you. Thank you. I believe you. I believe you. Don't break your promise. Don't break your promise. Or we can say, do not break your promise. Do not break your promise. Keep your promise. Keep your promise. All right, keep your promise. All right, keep your promise. I hope you will keep your words. I hope you will keep your words. I hope you will keep your words. Just let the time answer it. Just let the time answer it. Just let the time answer it. Fear and anxiety. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of being alone at night? Are you afraid of being alone at night? I am scared of snakes. I am scared of snakes. I am frightened of spiders. I am frightened of spiders. I am terrified. I am terrified. I am terrified. I get scared very easily. I get scared very easily. I get scared very easily. I was terrified when I heard the noise outside. I was terrified when I heard the noise outside. I was terrified when I heard the noise outside. I am worried about her health. I am worried about her health. I am worried about her health. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Or we can say, do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It is nothing. It is nothing. There is nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid of. Take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Calm down.